Good evening to all. Today we are discussed about the classification of optical materials. That is, we have discussed optical materials. Here, the optical materials are classified into, there are three types. One is transparent, second one translucent, third one opaque. What is translucent materials? The translucent materials are the material which transmit the light with a little absorption and reflections. These materials are called as transparent materials. And also you can clearly view the object through the materials, which are all called as transparent materials. We are taking on materials, the light, that is monochromatic light, to fall on the substance, the materials. A small amount of absorption and reflections are there, which are all called as transparent materials. And here a small amount of absorbed by the materials or reflected by the materials. Second one, translucent materials. The translucent materials are when the incident light to get scattered within the materials. The materials which is diffused to the light is transmitted with the other side of the materials. Now the translucent materials are the monochromatic light to fall on the substance. The light source is transmitted through the materials, so which are all called as translucent materials. And here we cannot able to clear view the object by using these materials. We cannot able to clear view the object, and these materials are called as translucent materials. The third one, opaque. Opaque materials are observe the visible light is termed as opaque. Here we are past the monochromatic light. Here the materials absorbed all the lights. When the electromagnetic radiations in the entire visible spectrum is incident in the materials, either it gets reflected or absorptions. In opaque materials, it absorbs all the materials. At the same time, when past the electromagnetic radiations in the entire visible spectrum is incident on the materials, either it gets reflected or absorbed by the materials. These materials are called as opaque materials. A few semiconducting materials, it acts as a opaque in nature. So these are all the three type of optical materials. That is a classification of optical materials: transparent, translucent, opaque. Thank you.